Alright, what's up, y'all? We're out here with the drone HK11 Oddire, I believe it's called. It's pretty cool looking. I got my camera pointed down at an angle so hopefully you can see my controls more. It says we got a weak GPS signal, so that'll be interesting. But we're out here at this big lake that I was talking about before with the... Oh, here we go. Alright, there we go. Start record. See that, so I know when to sync it up. All right. See if we can spot some wildlife. I see some duckies. It's got a little bit of drift. Okay. Trying to get used to my controls. Okay, that's the camera down. Check out the duckies and see if they'll let me spot them without flying off. There they are. Just trying to kind of coast over them. Okay. Got interesting controls. Okay, let's go camera up because I can't see what the hell I'm doing. Alright, now I wanted to go along the shoreline, so we'll kind of come back. We're in higher rates. Okay. Probably see me standing there like a dingus. Okay, I see some fish jumping down here. Let me put the camera down. Let me see if I can see what's jumping there. Hopefully I don't dunk my drone. See nothing. Okay, go back level. Go check out the duckies real quick. Woo! It's too close to the water. I'm trying to watch the footage and the birds. There they are. And little water birds. Got some wind drift. I got good GPS signal, but the wind drift's carrying the drone. We got a bird gathering here. Yeah, I can see why they say don't fly low over water. The drone doesn't know any better. All right, let me see if I can try some of this kind of flying. Yeah, that's sketchy with the wind drift. Some like panning shot. Okay, I'll go back. Straight. Trying to pay attention where I'm going. It's hard for me to trust the camera. I keep having to look up at the drone. Man, that's sketchy. Going out so far. I almost want to go to that other fountain way down there, but that's too far. Too far for my comfort level at this moment. Maybe we'll go down there. That was actually my goal. Alright. Oh, we lost video footage, that's why. Okay, it's back. I'm like, why does it look like I'm still way far away from the fountain? Let's try to go other side of the lake. You guys can see how long this lake is. I'm not even full forward. There's full forward. Pretty decent speed. Right, banking left.
Return home.
Oh.
Stop return home.
Okay, why is it? Yeah, let's return home. Okay, we lost control there for a minute. Which way am I facing? That way? Okay, I've now lost sight of the drone. Alright, I'm gonna have to rely on my camera. Okay, we're right over the fountain. Let's go forward. Oh, I'm out of line of sight, that's why. Let's come back over here. There it is. Okay, I can see it again. It blended in with the buildings. Whew, that was sketchy. I'm sure you guys could hear the audio there. It said return to home. Alright, let's see if I can spot this turtle. I see a turtle. See his little head popping out of the water. Oh, he went under. Alright, let's go camera back up. Oh, that's down. So I gotta get used to my controls. Alright. There's Mr. Turtle again. See if I can spot him. Flew over him right as he went under. Alright. I don't want to spook the ducks and have them fly into the drone, so I'm just going to kind of try to get a shot of them and then come back and land. Pretty cool. I think I went over them. They didn't get spooked, so that's good. Still got a decent battery. It's 24-minute flight time, so. Watch the trees. Let's see if I can get these birds over here. Whoa, we got some wind gusts. The video is probably pretty shaky. I think I got those birds taken off. This one came right back to the drone. Alright. Got decent battery. Oh no, we're at half battery. Alright, we'll go ahead and bring it in. Alright. Time to land. Oh. Alright. That was a cool flight. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And we'll see you on the next one.